Hey guys, PJ here. Ever try to buy something online or check your account balance and bam, the CommBank app is down? It's incredibly frustrating. We've all been there. It's 2023. This shouldn't be happening. So in this video, we're diving into what's going on with CommBank, why these outages are frequent, and most importantly, the exact steps to fix it right now. Let's get into it. You've checked the status page, and either there's no mention of an outage, or it's been down for hours. Don't worry, we're not done yet. This next step might seem basic, but trust me, it works more often than you'd think. We're going to do a full restart of both your phone and the CommBank app. Start by completely closing out of the CommBank app. Don't just minimize it, actually swipe it up and out of your recent apps list. Then go ahead and restart your phone. Once your phone is back on, try opening the CommBank app again. You've checked the status page, restarted everything, and you're still stuck in banking limbo. This is where things can get trickier, especially if you need to make an urgent payment. If you absolutely need to send money right away, explore alternative transfer methods. Do you have another bank account with a different bank? If so, see if you can transfer funds there temporarily and make the payment through that app. Another option is to use third-party payment services like PayID or Osco. These services might still be up and running even if CommBank is experiencing issues. If you've made it this far and you're still tearing your hair out, it's time to face the music customer support. Now I know what you're thinking, calling your bank's customer support line is right up there with getting a root canal on the list of fun things to do. Especially during a major outage, you can expect long wait times, frustrating hold music, and maybe even a few disconnected calls. But sometimes it's the only way to get the help you need. Before you resign yourself to a day of listening to elevator music, check their website or app for alternative contact methods. Many banks now offer live chat support or even social media messaging, which can be much faster than waiting on hold. If you do end up calling, have your account information handy and be prepared to explain the issue clearly and calmly. Okay, last but definitely not least, we need to talk about scams. Sadly, whenever there's a major outage or disruption with a bank, scammers come out of the woodwork trying to take advantage of the situation. You might receive phishing emails or text messages claiming to be from CommBank, asking you to click on a link to verify your account information or reset your password. Don't fall for it. These messages are designed to steal your personal information. Remember, CommBank will never ask you for your password or account details via email or text message. If you receive a suspicious message, don't click on any links. Instead, go directly to the official CommBank website or app or contact their customer support through a verified channel. Alright guys, I know dealing with CommBank app issues can be a total pain, but hopefully this video gave you some solid strategies to get back on track. Remember, technology isn't perfect, and even the biggest banks have their off days. The important thing is to stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll be back to managing your money in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips and tricks. Until next time.